Is your Ninja Foodi Grill leaving food charred on the outside and raw inside? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your meals will cook evenly every time. Begin by checking how you've arranged the food. Overcrowding the grill grates or air fry basket traps heat unevenly. Spread ingredients in a single layer and rotate them halfway through cooking for balanced results. For proteins like steak, bring them to room temperature before cooking. This ensures even heat penetration. Next, verify the temperature settings. High heat can scorch exteriors while leaving interiors undercooked. For delicate foods, reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, and extend the cook time slightly. Use a meat thermometer to confirm doneness. Aim for 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius for medium rare steaks. Clean the grill grates and heating element. Burnt residue or grease buildup can disrupt heat distribution, causing hot spots. Soak grates in warm, soapy water and scrub with a non-abrasive brush. Avoid damaging the non-stick coating. If uneven cooking persists, reset the appliance. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary errors. This also allows internal components to recalibrate, similar to how ovens stabilize after preheating. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!